Guys and girls, it's Know It Time!
Alright, so let's start with our next session for today. And our next session is on combinations. Okay. Combination. See, before I worked with permutation, now I work with combination. Combination is this. Order does not, the key word here is does not matter. Crucial. Okay. Order does not matter. Now, for example, so I'm going to compare. When you have combination questions, I'm going to write this down, star. There is a good chance that the blanking method will not work. Oh, everyone's fighting for those cards. Blanking method does not work. Does not work. Okay. When the question is permutations, we can use the blanking method. It works really well. But when it's a combination question, order doesn't matter. The blanking method tends to fail. Okay. So I'm going to give you the most classic real-life problem. And sorry, I'm going to give you the formula for this. Combination is something called NCR. Okay, so there's a new set of formulas for you to learn. NCR equals to N factorial over N minus R factorial. But a lot of you look at it. I'm gonna give. But a lot of you look at it and say, "Hey, but so it's the same as NPR." There's one big difference: times R factorial. This is called the NCR formula. Now, in real life, a lot of this comes in real life. Combination occurs in real life the most more than permutations. And it's what I do almost every week. Every single week, there is something that your parents may play. It occurs on Friday, Wednesday, and Saturday.
Play?
Something that you... Sorry? Lottery. The lottery. I play this game every single week. The lottery. I play this game every single week for the last couple of 6 years. I spent $5 a week on average. Okay? And here's how the games work. You pay, this is called the Lotto 649. Lotto 649. Okay. Right now, sorry? Yep, I was telling you how much I won. Lotto 649 right now costs you $2 to play. Just $2. The jackpot right now on Wednesday, which is today. Oh, there's a draw today. I actually bought my ticket today too. The lotto jackpot right now is $3.5 million. Okay. And does anyone know how the Lotto 649 works? No? There's 49 numbers in total. You choose 6 random numbers. Choose 6. You win 3.5 million. That's it. Yeah. Choose 6. See, when you play the Lotto 649, order doesn't matter because it does not have to be in order that you choose. As long as your 6 number matches, you win. So I want to ask you, how many different combinations are possible? How many different combinations?
Wait, is Lotto 649 the one where you have those papers and you scribble in the numbers
Hi.
and choose?
Hi.
But can't you just cheat them and
How?
figure out what the numbers are and then afterwards?
No. On that day, so there's a draw today at 649, that on 649, and there's a machine that has 49 balls in it, and they just pluck 6 random ones out. And if it matches your 6, you're $3.5 million richer.
But you figure out if you got it or not after it's been drawn, right?
No, you have to buy the ticket before.
Yeah, but let's say you hook up at the corner store, aren't you just
Please. Oh, please. You can't cheat the system. Even though there's been lottery scams, I'll show you how people work to cheat the lottery scams, and it's all over the news. Bye, guys, gals. How many different combinations are possible? Get crack-a-lacking this one. Huh? Sorry? C stands for combinations. See, in this case, order doesn't matter because I can have my numbers in any order. The blanking method doesn't work because blanking method you're assuming order matters. You cannot say 6 times 49 times 48 times whatever because you're assuming order matters. See, when I choose my 6, as long as my 6 match up in any order, I win. This is why a lot of people get mixed up on exams. They say, is this an NCR or NPR? N is the same thing as N before. N is your total number choice. N equals to total. R is how many you want. How many you want. So plug in the thing. So we can't use NPR anymore because order doesn't matter. 49 C 6. Now instead of using the formula, guys grab your TID3 out, please. Because how many numbers are there altogether? From 1 to 49. Hi. So you go 49. Now, I'll let you figure out where the NCR button is. Figure it out on your own. Okay, math. Oh, look at this. There's an NCR right there. And this is why I have NPR and NCR. Okay. Which is roughly 14 million. Well, I'm going to say, to be more precise, you should have this answer right here. 13,983. 816, which means there is roughly 1 in 14 million chance you can win. 1 in 14 million, because there's 14 million different combinations. You have to match UB 1 in 14 million.
What's the answer?
Sorry?
Is that 1 in 14 million the answer?
No, this is your exact answer, but I rounded off to easier to understand. So which means, in order for you to win the lottery ticket, is a 1 in 14 million chance you can win the lottery ticket. Now, here's another way to think about this. If you were to buy every single combination in the possible, how much would you have to spend?
27.
You would have to spend
Double it.
times this by 2. So for every time, let's say this, you have to spend roughly, again, I'm using a rough estimate to make it easier for everyone to see, spend roughly $28 million to win 3.5 million. And you know what? Why the Canadian lottery makes so much money? This is how every time someone wins, they make actually about $20 million profit. And $20 million profit, they give away $3 million.
That's like the lottery like equals like
Yep.
30 or
Yep.
like 35, right?
Yep.
If you do all that, wouldn't you like make money then?
You would make money. But here's the thing. If 2 people have the same winning ticket, guess what they do? They split it. So they always make money. So some of you say, hey, so I'm going to spend $28 million bucks and win $30 million. It doesn't work. Because if another person matches your thing, you lose a lot of money. Okay? So guys, gals, every draw on Wednesday right now, the Lottery Corporation makes about $20 million profit easily.
Is it every week that the lottery?
They draw it on Wednesday and Friday. So, but there's another thing. There's the actual bigger game that just came out about a year ago. It's not called 649 anymore. Does anyone know? Nope, not the Keno. It's bigger than the Keno. Nope, not the Greek lottery. It's called Lotto Max. Lotto Max. Here's how Lotto Max works. Ticket price is not $2 more, it's $5. Here's how it works. Choose 49 numbers again.
49 number?
Yep. No, 49 numbers again. This time you're going to choose 7 numbers.
So there's like, you have one more extra number?
Yep. How hard is it to win? Oh, by the way, the jackpot this Friday is going to be at a record high. Does anyone know what the jackpot this Friday is? I actually bought my ticket. Please, 5 million. I can't live on 5 million. $50 million is the jackpot this Friday. I bought my ticket already on Monday. I'm gonna show you. So guys, gals, your question is this: how many combinations are possible to winning this? So by choosing only one more number, does it make a difference, or does it really make no difference in winning?
But it's not worth $3
Find it. Sorry, $5 you get 3 choices, 3 chances to win. They give you 3 chances.
What do you mean 3 chances?
So you choose 3 sets of numbers. Okay. So how many combinations are possible? So now we can't just match 6 anymore. They want you to match 7. So be 49, C, 7. And see what are my odds of winning the Lotto Max on Friday. Doot doot. Oops, sorry. Math. Doot. 4, not 5. 7. Roughly 1 in 86 million. So I went from 1 to 14 million to 1 in 86 million. Roughly. That's roughly 86 million. In other words, to win this $50 million, you got to be 1 in 86 million. What are the odds of that? The odds of you getting hit by a lightning strike is about 1 in 2 million. So in other words, you can actually get struck by lightning a couple of times before you win the lottery. And there's 30 million in Canada.
So we don't even know people to.
It's going to be hard. No, just in Canada. Only Canada.
That's so stupid.
In the U.S., they just had a recent lottery in U.S., biggest of all time in lottery. It was not 50 million. U.S. are a bit more, 286 million. This is called a Powerball. I don't know if you heard about it before. People line up for blocks every time there's a thing. And they win 200. But the problem is this. In the United States, you pay taxes. So 286 million is actually about 140 million. But if you're a Canadian, I don't know what happens with that. But in Canada, if you win $50 million, you get a check for $50 million. No tax whatsoever. So guys, the odds of me winning is 1 in 86 million. Let's make it happen. I'm going to ask you for 7 numbers. We're going to buy that. If I win $50 million, I'm going to take all of you out for dinner. Mickey D's.
11.
Mickey D's, baby. I will let you supersize it. My treat. $50 million, I will let you supersize it. My treat. So, 49. Let's make me a winner. Seriously, this is... You have 49 from 1 to 49. 11. Oh, hang on. 11. Oh. I have number 11. What else? 40. 44. 14. 3. 27. 2, 4, 27. Oh, sorry. 29. Wait, 2, 4, 6, and lucky 7. There's my number. If you see this number, or if you all of a sudden you hear about a teacher in Vancouver, a person in Vancouver winning lottery, and you don't see me on Monday, you know where I am. I'll be at McDonald's lining up, buying 30 large fries and bringing it here for you guys. So guys, $50 million. This is the jackpot right now. I will go buy this, and I'm seriously going to go buy this. I do this every year, and now a lot of people ask me to know, when do you use NCR? Because a lot of you are now confused between NPR and NCR. Because we know NCR, order doesn't matter. Here's how. Types of questions. Again, this is general types. It's not always accurate. These are general guidelines. General. First one, card questions. Okay. Anytime you're given a card question, it's automatically NCR because order doesn't matter when you play cards. Okay. in Vancouver, I play a game, a really popular game called Big Two. Here, Big Two does not exist because this is a different nationality.
Isn't that the game you play with the cards? The cards?
That's what we're talking about cards, yeah.
I never play that game. That game doesn't exist.
But here, it's like Bobby or whatever you call that. I don't know what you call that. I don't know what Bobby or whatever. So here, card questions. Now, another famous type is boy-girl questions. I'll explain to you when you have boy-girl questions. Or slash, this is called groups. These are the main focus points of card questions. I'm going to give you an example. By the way, you have to know your deck of cards in order for you to pass this unit.
What?
If you don't know your deck of cards, you got to go home and study them because there's a lot of card questions on your exam.
What do you mean? What do you study?
For example,
There's 52 cards in a deck.
50. Okay, I'm going to give you basic card facts.
15 of each.
You have to know your basic card facts because if you don't, you're going to be in trouble. And using the excuse, Mr. No, I don't know the cards is not an excuse on your exam because final exams. Yep. There's 52 cards in a deck, which is true. There are 4 suits. You should know the 4 suits. If you have, how many of you have never played cards before or never? Never? Wow. So we got a lot to do.
Who's ever played cards?
Doesn't matter who. Diamonds, spades, hearts, spades, and a club. Looks something like that. Poker?
It's so easy.
Like poker? Poker face? There's a joke. How do you make Lady Gaga cry? Poker face?
Oh, that's a joke.
You didn't get it?
Oh, poker face?
Yeah.
Got it.
Haha, Mr. You're so funny. I know. 2 colors. Please, not black and white. This is red and black. There are 12 face cards. These are the basic facts you have to know. Here's your question. I have a deck of cards. How many combinations are possible for a 5-card hand? Five-card hand. Any random. Good luck. So guys, gals, we know this is going to be NCR. Plug in N, plug in C, or not C, plug in R. Divina, what's N?
52.
52. Just Karen, what's R? 5. Because I have 52 cards in total, I'm only going to choose 5. So it'll be 52C5. You can punch in your calculator right now and just figure out what it is. Just get practice using the NCR button. Get you about 2.5 million roughly. Sorry? No, because sometimes they will not use the word combination. Say how many different ways can you have 5 cards being dealt with. 52C5 is correct. Try this one. B. Again, deck of cards again. I'm giving you a 5-card hand. You're dealt 5 cards right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cards. How many ways can you have 3 hearts? How many different 3 hearts are there possible? Good luck. See, here, I want 3 hearts. See, in a deck, you got to figure out how many hearts are there in total in a deck. There's 13 hearts, because there's 4 suits. So out of 13, we're going to choose 3. That's where 13C3 comes in.
Yeah, that's what I said.
But we're not done yet.
Are you going to do something with the 5?
Now, in my hands, I have to have 5 cards in total. I said that already. 3 of them are hearts. What must the last 2 be? Anything but a heart. How many cards are in a deck that's not a heart? 39. So we're going to write down 39 C2. The question now is, are you going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Oh, no. Multiply. Now, some of you say why. Here's why. We're going to say 3. Can you close the door? No, yeah, just push it in. It's fine, leave it. That one's good, close it. 3 hearts. See, this you say this as 3 hearts and underline this keyword and 2 no hearts. Somebody say, but Mr. No, you never say it and is something that you should see for yourself. Because I have 3 hearts and the last 2 can't be a heart. So punch this in your calculator. 13C3 times 39C2. This is called logic, using combinations. See, NPR was easy because there's only one simple thing we do. But when you work with NCR, order doesn't matter. Things are a lot more challenging because you got to think of a lot of different ways. So let's punch this in my calculator right now. 13C3 is 286. Now I go 39C2 times 286. 211,926. So there is 211,926 different combinations I can have using exactly 3 hearts. What about this one? C. What if I say 5 cards again? We're always working with 5 cards unless I state otherwise. You have to understand that. Exactly 4 red cards. 4 reds. Go for it. Who haven't asked today yet? Megan, let's take a guess. What is it going to be?
13.
Whoa. Not 13. 26. 26. Because there are 26 red cards in total. C. 4. Because I want 4 out of the 26. Times. Sim, what's the last part?
26C1.
26C1. That's your answer. For now, you can leave it like that to save time. Try this one. What if I say D? Exactly. Oh, C1? Ah. Would you agree I have 5 cards in my hand altogether? 4 reds and 1 non-red. See, the 1 is a hidden. It's 1 because I have 5 cards in total. What if I say exactly? Because I mentioned 5 cards. Exactly 2 kings. How many ways can I have exactly 2 kings? After this, I'm going to give you a super no, and we'll see who can get this. You come in. Say I want 2 kings. And we know I have 4 kings in total. It would be 4 C2. Times. Karen, what am I going to multiply this by, Karen? How many cards are not a king in a deck? 4 kings. So there are 48 C3. Voila. Guys, gals, here's your super note question. This is going to be a group challenge. What? This, please, princess, please. Exact same thing. I'm going to say this now. 5 card hand again. Here is your question. Good luck. I want at most 2 hearts. Good luck. Get together with your team. First of all, I have 5 card hand. If there's a 5 card hand, at most 2 hearts. See, we got to think about cases now. Case 1. Underline the word at most, please. Because a lot of people get stuck on the concept of at most. At most means you cannot go beyond 2. So case 1, I can have 2 hearts. And guys and gals, find how many ways you can have 2 hearts. Well, there's 13C2 times 39C3. But I can have case 2. If I say at most 2 hearts, I can have 2 hearts or I can have 1 heart. Because that's what at most means. At most means I have 2 hearts, or now I want you to write down at most 1 hearts, which is
0 hearts too.
exactly, you have 13C1 times 39C5. Or you can have whoa, C4. Or I can have case 3. A lot of people forget there's case 3. No hearts. If it's no hearts, I can have 39C5 or 13C0. Guess what I'm going to do with the cases? Add them, because it's case 1 or case 2 or case 3. Add. That's it. Was it that hard? No, not really.
So can you give us a card now?
Hi, I'll call you in a second. Roll by roll. What if I say at... Sorry?
Did everybody get it?
No, I'll call you roll by roll. At least 4... Sorry. At least 3 face cards. What if I say at least 3 face cards? Crack lacking. Good luck. At least 3 face cards. Think about what this means. All right. When I call you up, come on down to represent. Grumpy, Euro, come on down. Aaron, Euro, come on down. Sahara, Euro, come on down. Amarpal, Euro, come on down. Camille, Euro, come on down. Sean, Euro, come on down. Guys, gals, at least 3 face cards. So think about how you're going to do this. So if I have at least 3 face cards, think about how many cases you can have. See, underline the word at least. When you see the word at least or at most, you have to think about cases. Write down case 1. What is case 1 going to be? There's going to be 3 face cards. Dead on. How many more cases can you have? Think about this. 2 more cases. So we write down case 2. At least means the lowest number you can have is 3 face cards. So I can have 4 face cards. But there's case 3 also. I can have 5 face cards. Oh, whoa. 5 cards. Guys, gals, write out the work for each one of them and add them up. You have to add them. Because you have cases. You have case 1 or... Oh, yeah, well, you could, but I don't have time to give you the answer. You just punch in your calculator. Giselle, how many face cards are there, Giselle? Face cards in the deck. 12. So there'll be 12C3. Times. Don't forget your times. A lot of you forget the next parts. Times 40C2. Plus. Okay, now I'm going to work on case 2. Well, I have 4 face cards. 12C4 times 40C1 plus 12C5. Now you can easily do your calculator and add this together, and you get an answer. Voila. Hi. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Because the word, see before, it says at most. So which means the highest you can have is 2. This one says at least means the lowest you can have is 3. There's a huge difference between at most and at least. Guys, gals, last question, then I'm going to let you go after this. Group. There's a group of 14 boys and 12 girls. Your question is this. You're going to choose 7 people to be on a committee. I want to know how many ways can you have at most 1 boy. Good luck with this one. There's a group of 14 boys and 12 girls. You're going to choose 7 people to form a committee. How many ways can you have at most 1 boy? Again, there's that word at most. Highlight this word. If you see the word at least and at most, you know there's going to be cases. At most 1 boy, right off the bat. I know there's cases involved. I write down case 1. Okay. 1 boy. Very, very simple. So guys, gals, how would you figure out 1 boy? Well, there's 14 boys total, so be 14 C1. Times, don't forget, a lot of people always forget this part. Just Karen, times by what? Where's Just Karen? Yeah, Just Karen, times by?
20.
Oh, whoa, 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 not 20. 12. Because 1 boy and the rest can't be a boy, so it has to be 12 C 6. Because I have to choose 6 girls. I can't choose 20 something, otherwise you get another boy involved. Why? Because there's 7 people in total.
I think about it as like the card.
1 boy and 6 girls. That's case 1. Case 2. I'd say at most, so we know there's only 2 cases. 0 boys. Yep, 0 boys, so which is plus 12 C 7. Some of you say, Mr. what about 14 C 0? It's a 14 C 0 is just 1. That's why I don't need it. And that's your answer. Punch in here. This is called combinatorics. Some of you will like this better because it's so much fun. Guys, gals, page! One zero five. Numero 1 to 12. That's it. I'm going to explain more on tomorrow, but you should be able to do every question. You should be trained to it.